Hello everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another edition of our MASC Minutes. So I am product free right now in my hair, which means I'm going to demo a hair product. So I was going to do the Blumaan Monarch matte paste. They have five products to choose from right now. This is their fourth newest product. Is that the right terminology? Fourth newest? I don't know. Anyway, it's their fourth product that they released, and it's called the Monarch matte paste. So it looks like that. This is our test. As you can see, it's been well sampled. So this is classified as a matte finish product, medium to strong hold. The intensity depends on how much of it you use. And even though it is classified as a clay, it is quite unique in that it's quite smooth. So as you can see, it doesn't have that stickiness to it that a lot of clays do, which means that when you're applying it, it goes in really easily without any sort of tug or pull, and it allows you to restyle throughout the day without any sort of issues. So the two clays that it contains are kaolin and bentonite. I'm just going to grab some here. That's probably how much I would use for myself to start, maybe a little less. Anyway, kaolin and bentonite clays, those help to absorb excess oil, also contain lots of minerals that are good for the hair. And then in addition to that, the other key ingredient is shea butter, which is what gives it that sort of really nice creamy texture. So, and shea butter is really moisturizing for the hair too. So yeah, it gives you tons of texture, tons of definition. You can style it however you want. This is how I'm going to do it today, just sort of really basic, kind of forward and to the side, which is how I'm styling my hair these days. And as you can see, it's pretty matte. If you wanted more, if you wanted more hold, you could just use more product. Like for example, if I wanted to go like super high like that would work too. It's probably a little high for me, but well, sometimes I wear it like that. Anyway, so yeah, Monarch matte paste, matte finish, medium strong hold, rinses out easily too, which is great. And the scent is, it's not super strong, it's sort of like a really fresh, clean smell. Can't really tell you exactly what it smells like other than it smells good. So that's it, the Monarch matte paste from Blumaan. Check it out, shopmasc.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, come see it in store. Thanks for listening.